Hey everyone, today I want to bring you a little bit more unboxing therapy. When I got home from work today, I had a box from the Lock Lab sitting on my doorstep. So let's open it up and see what good old Bosnian Bill sent us. Try not to cut my fingers in the process. I sent him a lock. He sent me a thank you card, and he said there's some Lock Lab t-shirts in here, so let's take a look at those first. These are pretty cool. Wow. All right, well that's pretty fancy. I like that. That's cool. This one's a small, and he also sent another one here. It's a extra large. All right, that's really cool. Thanks, Bosnian Bill. I appreciate it. Lock Lab's always been a great resource for lock pickers. And Lock Lab stickers. Let's see here. Some more stickers. What do we got here? We got, looks like, I can't read anything underneath of it. That's a Lockwood with a key. That'll be fun to get into. Another sticker. I have a bunch of stickers here. Uh-oh. I've seen this lock. I sent him a real hard lock, and he sent me one back. So, yeah. Thanks, Bill. I'll be losing my mind on that one. I've seen your video of that lock. We got another quick set here. I've got an Abus 7240. It's got a pretty wide open keyway there, so that shouldn't be too hard to get into. I don't know, there might be some magic in there. And something else. There's an imprint of a key on it. That might be the key to this lock right here. In fact, I'm going to bet on it. All right, so let me get some of this stuff cleared up, and then we'll pick one of these locks, or try to. Fail or not, it's going on video. Thanks, Bosnian Bill. I really, really appreciate it. And we're back. All right, these are the locks that Bosnian Bill sent me back. I know for a fact 2 of them are revenge locks. This one has to be, and this one has to be. I've seen the videos on both of them. This one has angled cuts on the key. I don't know how well y'all can make it out here. Let me try to get my zoom to work here. There you go, angled cuts similar to a Medico. It's actually got M-Heart interlocked pins in it. I'm going to try this one. I'm not going to give up on it without warrant, because I won't learn anything if I do just give up on it. This one I know came from Farmer 13, and that was a pretty good video of Bill's when he got this one done. It was an impressive pick, a very impressive lock. I can't wait to actually try it. And this Lockwood, I don't remember if this came from one of his videos or not. I just don't remember. It could be from a while ago. And the same with this Abus here. This Schlage here is the one that I actually sent him, and I was in a mean mood the day I decided to make this and send it to him. But if you guys want to pick this lock, or have an opportunity of it, leave me a PM on YouTube after you watch this video with your address, and I'll send it out to you free of charge, in the lower 48, of course. International, you might need to help me out a little bit on shipping charges. I know it can get a little bit crazy. So out of these 4 locks, and by the way, I'll include a picture of what's inside this lock at the end of the video too. So out of these 4 locks, I'd say the only one that I've got a chance in getting into on my first try might be this Abus right here. So let's go ahead and scoot everybody out of the way and clamp this guy up. Okay everyone, now that I got this Abus clamped up here, let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to go with top of the keyway with my tension wrench, and I'm going to use this Sparrow's Euro hook. It's probably my favorite hook from Sparrow's. And I don't know what in the world's happening to my focus right now. There we go. So let me go to the back of the keyway. Got to click out of the last pin. I'm counting them as I go forward. Click out of that one. I believe this might be a 6-pinner, so we'll see. Okay, it looks like pin 2 is the binder now. There we go. And pin 1, I got a little bit of a false set. Actually, I thought I had an open because I really had to push it hard just to get that false set. There, I pushed up on 2 again and got an open. So this one wasn't too terribly bad, so let's break it open and see what we have inside. Paint tray, let me zoom out. Wrong way. This is some real sticky tape. There's the key. I've never seen an Abus with such a innocuous bitting as this. Ugh, if I can get that tape off my fingers. Okay, so we need a Phillips. That was Loctited in good. Looks like it needs to come a little bit more. There we go. And let's see here. That is a tiny, tiny core. I wonder if I've got a follower. That'll fit that. Let's see. I haven't used my little ink pen follower in a long time, and I don't rightly know. There it is. Where I stuck it last. Yep, guys, just a little cut down ink pen. Okay. Let's try to get this clip off with this screwdriver here. Let me go ahead and lock it back up. That clip wasn't so bad. A lot of these clips give me trouble because I don't have the right tools to remove them, but that time a screwdriver did the trick. Actually, I want to turn the core the opposite direction, and to be on the safe side, I want to stick a shim in it. If the tolerances will let me do it. Doesn't look like the shim's going to go in the whole way, but at least it'll kind of protect that ledge there. Or not. Okay, that's not going to fit, so let's take it apart backwards. I don't like doing this because I wind up dropping pins all over the place. It's like I just dropped the first key pin. Alright, pin 5 is a serrated spool, or 6. Next on tap, just barely poking above the shear line, is a serrated, looks like a factory serrated. Next we've got a, let me just dump it out here, a standard. No, it's not a standard. That is a T-pin. I got another T-pin over here. And I'm actually putting these in the wrong slots, guys. So you always get something wrong when I do this backwards. Alright, number 2 shot outlet in my hand is a tall spool. And number 1 is another T-pin, so several T-pins in here. While I got it in my hand, I'm not dumping the pins out. Let's go ahead and look at the plug. I've already took one out. So, number 2 is a serrated. Number 3 is a serrated. 4, 5 is a standard, and 6 is a serrated. So let's look at the plug. Do I have any modifications in the plug? No, sir, I do not. Alright, let's go ahead and dump the springs out and see if I've got any modifications in the Bible. I do notice a lot of different types of springs in here. And in the Bible I do have threading. I've got threading only on chambers 5 and 6. So there we go. And this is a Abus from the Lock Lab. I don't know if Bill built this one or not. I couldn't find a video referencing this lock. But anyway, Bill, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for the extra locks. And everybody else, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that aren't yours or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And please like and subscribe.